welcome back. Happy Friday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and yay, it is almost the weekend. Awesome. So, today, as you can see from the description down below, I have the July 2019 Target Beauty Box. I had to think about that for a second. Now, it came a little different this month, and I didn't open it ahead of time because I haven't, I'm not going to show you my address, I've never had it come in a box like this. So we're going to open it and see. I do want to remind you guys before we get into this that I do still have the 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. It does end on the 17th. So if you have not already, make sure you go ahead and enter. The link will be down below. Also, if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. Tons of unboxings, giveaways, live streams, all kinds of fun. And we just would love to have you join us. So please do leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts and how your day is going. Also, give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out. But let's get in here and see why they changed it to this packaging rather than just kind of the cellophane around the actual box. It is heavy, and it says 2 pounds. So, and for those of you that are not familiar, the Target Beauty Box is $7. And usually they always have at least one beauty box a month. This is not a subscription. You do actually have to go to the Target website to purchase this. You can sign up to receive an email when it releases. I do always try to post on my community tab when they go live and then go on sale. But here we have the July box, and it's wrapped in, I almost feel like that was like a waste. They could have just put the logo on this because this is how it normally comes. But $7 a month, and the one thing that I do like about it is you do see what you're getting. So if there's a month that you really just don't think you're gonna like the products, or you're not going to use, you don't have to purchase it. Like last month for June, I was like, I already had some of the items, and I wasn't feeling it, so I didn't order the June box. This box looked really interesting, so I did obviously pick it up. Sometimes they have more than one box, they'll have two. I'm hoping they're going to continue the pet box. If you have not seen that, they did in May have a pet box. They had a dog box and a cat box with treats and different things, and it was really awesome. So Target, if you're listening, if you see this somehow, please bring back the pet box. Bring us one for July. We would love it. I know Oscar and Otis would be very happy. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to the July 2019 Target Beauty Box. So I'm going to cut this and open it. I do really, really like the coloring of the box this month because I think it's definitely, it's like giving me like ocean-y vibes. Just, I don't know. I just really like the color. And I really, I don't know, that smells good. I really love, I will keep these boxes sometimes, especially one like this that is a little bit bigger, because these are great for storing things. So, we take our lid off, and we always have a card here, and I am actually very happy to see you always get a $3 coupon on the back of the card, and it is for $3 off a $15 or more beauty purchase, like cosmetics, skincare, hair care. They went for a while, and they still may switch it up, so next month it may be the way where you have to like actually, it's like, it's not a barcode. It's like for the app or something. I prefer when they do it this way. So if you go in to Target and you make a purchase and you use this, you're saving $3. You're really only paying $4 for this box. So I just think it's a great deal. So let's see what we've got for July 2019. Gym Bag Beauty. Hot yoga at 6 a.m. Hot date at 6 p.m. Back-to-back meetings in between, we've all been there. That's why we keep our fave beauty essentials stashed in our gym bags at all times. Whether you're a yogi, CrossFit cutie, or stepmaster queen, these power products are sure to keep you looking good and feeling fresh all day long. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. So, there's that. And then on the back, it does tell us about all of the items, so we will reference that when we need to. But here we have. So this is what I'm seeing. Lots of goodies. I mean, $7, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. So we paid $1 a piece. We'll start with this first little guy right here. It is literally one little guy from Nexus. This is an anti-frizz sheet. And I'm pretty sure this is for your hair. On-the-go frizz sheets are crafted with argan oil to calm static and help seal out humidity, so tresses are perfect whenever, wherever. Simply glide sheet over hair to calm static and smooth frizzy strands. So, we got one little baby. I mean, I guess it's enough to give it a try. Nexus, I do like the brand, so, yeah, we can give it a try. Let's see. This, now, I thought this was a little odd, especially if they're talking about gym bag beauty, and I don't know, but it works for me because if you've been following me or if you were new, I have a 9-year-old son. So, but it is the Kids Crest Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste in Strawberry Rush. And fluoride toothpaste in a fun strawberry flavor delivers fresh breath and provides effective cavity protection. So that works. Always use toothpaste. Christopher will keep his mouth clean. Then we have from Acure, which this is a really good brand, Welcome to Skin Wellness, Radically Rejuvenating SPF Day Cream. It is SPF 30, turmeric, ferulic acid, and vitamin C facial moisturizer. It's 100% vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petrolatum-free, formaldehyde-free, and cruelty-free. It's free of all that stuff. So there we have that. We believe that skin wellness means helping your skin thrive with soothing hydration and botanical ingredients. Thrive on. So, turmeric and ferulic acid rejuvenate and provide antioxidant support, while broad-spectrum, non-nano zinc oxide protects skin from the sun. For best results, apply 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply at least every 2 hours. And I do really enjoy Acure. I love this brand. And this is a good size. I mean, to keep in your purse, your gym bag, you know, or even your beach bag, you know, because this is a facial, it's a facial moisturizer, first of all. So technically you could use this daily during the summer months, especially with it having the SPF, which is fantastic. So I'm super excited about this. So that to me is like, yay. All right. So the next 2 products actually go together. And I like that they did this. I just cannot stand when you're sent a shampoo or you're sent like a conditioner. Send me both. Let me try them together. So thank you, Target, for sending both the shampoo and the conditioner. And this is the Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky. It says daily hair and scalp conditioner, and the daily shampoo, 24-hour frizz control from root to tip. It's got a flower on it. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner, and they're each 3 ounces, so they are really good size and TSA approved. So the shampoo says intense moisture nourishes hair, leaving strands sleek, 100% flake free, and controls frizz for 24 hours. To banish dandruff, try using a scalp exfoliator, which gently lifts the top layer of dry skin. And then the conditioner says protects against flakes, calms itching, and relieves irritation, so locks are lustrous, fresh, and full of life. Now, I'm going to smell the conditioner just because I know that the shampoo will smell similar, but because this is the last one that you put on your hair, I like to smell this because that's obviously kind of more what you're going to smell. And it smells really good. It almost has like a tropical orchid, I don't know, something, but it smells amazing. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner. And we still have 2 more products. So here we have from Simple, new Squeeze Me Till the Last Drop. This is cute. I'm made out of 62% less plastic versus other 50 ml packs. Again, this is from Simple, sensitive skin experts, kind to skin, moisturizing face wash. No artificial perfumes or dyes, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no alcohol, no parabens, no animal-derived ingredients, 100% soap-free. Interesting. It's a wash, but it is soap-free. All right, so here's the product. It's super cute. Almost 2 ounces. This is the Simple Sassy it's called Sassy. Simple Sassy Sachet. Say that 3 times fast. Simply Sassy Sachet. Simply Sassy Sachet. Simply Sassy Sachet. Yeah, I don't know. Moisturizing face wash. Formulated with skin-loving ingredients and triple purified water to gently cleanse and provide instant hydration. Massage gently onto skin in a circular motion, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. So I am actually excited about that. If you just heard a really loud giggle, Christopher thought something was funny. I don't know what, but something was funny. Now this I am excited for because I love a good micellar water. And again, it says squeeze me till the last drop. Micellar cleansing water, and again, it's all the same nose. Micellar cleansing bubbles lift away makeup and impurities, leaving skin refreshed, hydrated, and revitalized. So again, this is almost 2 ounces. I am excited. You know, you just take this, put it on a couple cotton rounds, clean off your face. I love a good micellar water. So I think for $7, this was absolutely probably one of the best Target boxes. So we got from Simple, the micellar water, the moisturizing Sassy Sachet face wash. From Acure, we got the SPF 30 facial moisturizer, which I'm very excited about. We got the Strawberry Rush Kids Crest Anti-Cavity Toothpaste, the Nexus Anti-Frizz Hair Sheet, and the Head & Shoulders Shampoo and Conditioner in Smooth and Silky. So, let me know your thoughts down below. What did you guys think? Did you order one? Let me know. I love to hear from you guys. So, have a fantastic Friday, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye!